Take a ride in the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.